Take a ride in the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.